How to create labels on Google Docs. Hey everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, you will have to search for this create and print labels and install it. After you have installed this, go to your docs, go to extensions, then tap on add-ons, and you will see this add-on you just created, and then simply tap on create labels. After that, you will have to select a format, just like this. Select any and tap on use, click use, and done. You just created these labels. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.